The 2018 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, child safety locks, power brakes, trip computer, clock, power windows, airbags, driver, knee, electronic brake force distribution. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.